Are you looking for the best air compressors for mechanic shop? In this video we will look at some of the best air compressors for mechanic shop on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeWalt DXCMLA1983054. DeWalt is a brand known for its electronic products, and this one is quality indeed. The portable air compressor comes with 7.0 CFM at 40 psi while it's 5.7 CFM at 90 psi. The PSI maxes out at 155 to give you optimal performance and enhanced efficiency. Also, it comes with a vertical tank that has a capacity of 30 gallons and wheels at the bottom for easy portability. Moreover, the air compressor has a dual voltage motor. It can be used anywhere in the world, whether it's a 120V or 240V. The company sends out synthetic oil along with the machine that helps increase its durability and increase its life. Another feature that it possesses is that the high flow regulator offers 20% more torque that helps in removing larger particles. Number 2. Senco PC1010N. This compact air compressor has great power even for its size. Though the air capacity is only of a gallon, it offers a maximum PSI value of 135. It recovers within 30 seconds, perfect for your mechanic shop as well as for the little tweaks at home. In addition, thanks to the oil-free pump, you would practically have to spend zero when it comes to maintenance costs. Moreover, this compressor also operates quietly but with enough power to get the job done. Say goodbye to the old, traditional gas compressors. Furthermore, there is a built-in safety feature. It relieves the pressure when the air inside the tank reaches a specific level. The control panel in the front is user-friendly and very easy to read. The 21-pound, lightweight air compressor will make the tough tasks seem like a piece of cake. Number 3. Viair 00088888P. Lastly, it is the portable air compressor by Viair. It runs at 12V and reaches a maximum PSI value of 120. You must make sure the engine's running while in use. Also, the compressor draws in 20 amperes of current while the CFM stands at 1.47. It connects to batteries via alligator clamps, and that is how it is generally powered. If you often find yourself on trucks and SUVs, this is the one you're looking for. Moreover, the 00088888P comes with an LED indicator as well as a 10-feet power cord. The package also includes an air hose and an inflation tip kit. The item weighs only 4.5 pounds and can work in extreme temperatures ranging from 158 degrees to -4 degrees Fahrenheit.